So here's a tip for you on your pool cleaner. This one just so happens to be a Polaris model 280. And we're in December in Texas, and the pool is still open. We keep this one open year round, even though there's not a heater. And the Polaris hose often gets tangled up. So what you can do when the unit is not running at times during the day, pull it out and stretch that hose out on the deck to where it can, warm up and heat up, if you will. Straighten it out and stretch it out. So what happens on these hoses is they get in the water, it's cold, they get stiff in the winter, and they tend to tangle up, kink up, what have you. So it's difficult to keep them untangled, but this is just one thing that will help.